How to fix task scheduler error 0xE0434f4d in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, link in description. The .NET Framework Repair tool is designed to detect and fix issues with the .NET Framework installation. Using this tool can resolve problems that might be causing the task scheduler error. If that didn't work, sometimes, specific tasks in the task scheduler can conflict with system operations or with each other, leading to errors. Identifying and removing these tasks can resolve the issue. Look for tasks that are unnecessary or that might be causing conflicts. Right-click on the conflicting task and select Delete. Confirm the deletion and close the task scheduler. If that didn't work, regularly installing Windows updates is crucial for system stability and security. These updates can also include fixes for known bugs that might be causing the task scheduler error. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.